Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 293 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying this Santee Super Magic BB Blush Stick that I got from ShopMissA, and I got this in the shade 4, but this comes in 6 different shades, and since this is from ShopMissA, it's cruelty free and it's only $1. So let's see how this looks. All right, I like to see how much product. Wow, that's actually a lot of product, more than I was expecting. And it's just like a lipstick tube that you just twist up. It kind of looks like there's product in the cap. I wonder if this comes off. No, can't get into that product at the top of the cap. But this looks like a really pretty color. Let's see how it swatches. Oh wow, that is a pinky pink. I feel like this could totally work as a lipstick as well. But for today, I'm going to use it for its purpose of being a blush stick. I don't want to go in with too much to start, so I'm just going to go in lightly, start blending it out. So I am able to go in with a very light hand and add a slight touch of color, but I'm going to go back in and start building it up a bit. And I like that this stick formula is so controlled and easy to work with. You can really be sure to get your blush in the exact location that you want. And I like blending out cream formulas with my finger, but you could definitely go in with a brush or a sponge. So I feel like that looks like a really pretty natural flush of color. Even though it's a really bright pink shade, it does not look like an unnatural or crazy color on my cheek. And although this is looking very smooth on my skin, I am dealing with the fact that it's causing my foundation to move. So that's kind of the difference that you deal with when using a cream blush that then you have to blend in, because you're likely going to be moving your foundation. So if I were to just apply a powder right on top of this foundation, I don't have to worry about that. But because I have a full layer of foundation on before applying this, I am having some breaking up of my foundation and movement of it. But if I was doing a more natural type of look, this would be perfect because you can have that really smooth cream blush effect and not worry about moving any foundation. Like, let's see if I were to apply it on my hand here, which does not have the foundation. Just want to see how it would naturally blend out. Oh, and it's so pretty. It really is just like a gorgeous tint of color. But gosh, I love a bright pink color. I love being able to incorporate this type of shade into my makeup look. Whether it's on my cheeks, on my lips, on my eyelids. I'm just such a pink girl. So now I have this beautiful flush of color to my skin, and for $1, I think that this is a really nice cream blush formula. I just have to remember what type of texture and product I'm going to be dealing with when deciding what blush formula to use, because I love a powdered blush, but then for a more natural tint, I think that this cream blush is a great option. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips for applying cream blushes. Like, how do you make it work on top of other makeup? But this looks so good on the skin. It looks so smooth, and that's something I really love about cream blushes, is that it just really sinks into the skin and just becomes one with the skin and looks so natural and smooth. And I do have pores on my cheeks, but no, this looks so smooth. So another successful ShopMissA product. This was such a quick and easy makeup review. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.